Welcome to this sleep meditation for a peaceful night's rest. Find a comfortable position in your bed and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking few deep, relaxing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with soothing energy. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries from the day. Feel your body becoming more and more relaxed with each breath. Now imagine yourself in a beautiful, green, tranquil forest. You are walking. You are surrounded by gentle rustling of leaves and the soothing sound of a nearby stream. The air is cool and calm, wrapping you in a cocoon of serenity. As you walk through this peaceful forest, feel the soft ground beneath your feet and the gentle breeze on your skin. Now you can feel the breeze. You're getting goosebumps. Each step you are taking is bringing you deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Your body is releasing all the tension of the day. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. Allow it to guide you into the state of calm, quiet, and complete relaxing. Inhale now, and with each exhale, imagine tension melting away, leaving only relaxation in its place. Slowly and slowly, you're feeling relaxed. You're feeling like drowsy. You want to sleep now. Your mind is completely empty. And now, visualize a warm light above your chest. Big radiant moon. This is the light, filled with tranquility and comfort. As it is shining, it is giving you all the energy of soothing and relaxation. Feel the light slowly going down your body, covering from head to toe. As the light touches, feel your muscle getting relaxed and loosening. Your mind is unwinding and your spirit finding peace. As you are feeling completely sleepy, repeat this affirmation in your mind. I am safe and at peace. My body and mind are ready to rest. I release all worries of the day. Allow all your thoughts to gently drift away like leaves carried by a gentle breeze. Imagine your mind as clear and calm. Now inhale again and release your breath by exhaling, releasing the last bit of stress. Now you feel stillness as the night enveloping you, cradling you, embracing you. Your eyes are getting drowsy. You're feeling a deep sleep. Your mind wants to sleep now. You're covered by serenity and you're ready to sleep. Thank you for joining this sleep meditation. May your dreams be filled with tranquility and you may wake up refreshed and renewed. Try this for 21 days before sleeping. Wishing you a restful night. Sweet dreams.